Alright, let's talk about why database reactivation campaign can easily double your business and help the clients that you are working with achieve extra revenue without spending a dollar on ads upfront. My name is Attila. I have been running my agency for years at the moment. I have scaled my agency to 5 figures per month in the beginning of this year, and I have also generated more than $1 million for clients in the construction niche. Alright, so let's talk about the database reactivation campaign and why it is really great for us. Here is what we are going to cover. Why you should reactivate your databases, how can you get an unfair advantage with HighLevel, best strategies for gyms, roofers and also service-based businesses, and personal experience and results. Warning. This is the most important video in the entire series. Watch carefully, do not skip and pay attention to every single step. Pro tip. Watch this video in 2x speed if you want to go faster, but don't miss any details. Why you should reactivate your database, you could ask. And I give you reasons to reactivate it. The first is people forget you. A reminder brings you back top of mind. Second is the previous leads were interested but didn't convert. You can easily activate them with a database reactivation campaign, for example a new sale or a promotion pack that you give to your existing database. Reactivation campaigns can spark referrals, which is really great and easy to sell because they know you, they trust you, they heard that you are a great service provider or business from a friend. Also, existing clients can buy additional details, which is really great and increases the lifetime value of every prospect that you are working with. How to get an unfair advantage? First thing first, segment your database properly. This meaning that you actually segment your database by time and how warm are those leads. Have they get in contact with you? Have they just asked for a quote, or they have bought from you before? Was it like this year, 1 month ago, 1 year ago? How warm are these leads are? You should put them in a bracket, and after it you can see how many contacts you got and what type of prospects are you looking toward. Also, personalize messages based on past interactions. This is also really vital because they can get a lot warmer, these leads, if you send them personalized messages. Use automation to stay consistent. Yeah, I mean, HighLevel, you can use this software that I'm actually using. There will be a link in my description. And if you use my link, you get all the snapshots and scripts and trainings from me absolutely for free. Alright, the pitch is over. So yeah, use automation to stay consistent with your emails and your automated SMS. HighLevel lets you do it. It is very, very great for me that I am as an agency owner don't have to follow up with every single prospect of the clients, because yeah, just the automation does it. It is like 1 or 2 clicks. You add them to a pipeline, you add them to an automation, and yeah, you just load up you load them up into the contacts. Track and optimize engagement for better conversions. This is also really, really important. And how you can scale it? Automated email sequences for inactive contacts. Yeah, the one that I have just talked about. SMS reminders and follow-ups. This is also working really, really greatly because a lot of people don't actually reads their email every single day. So when you are sending them an SMS but don't spam them, it can work really well with a new offer, with a new insight or just a tip, just to get them in contact with your business. But I recommend absolutely follow-up chained email, and when you are doing that, you actually get them to read it, click the links, and even respond to it. Integrated appointment booking in HighLevel, yeah, that's also really a great feature of the software that I am using, called HighLevel, that you get everything in one place. You can do this reactivation campaign, you can book them in, you can move them in the pipeline, and yeah, it just flows through the whole sales process, and helps your client to suite, and a lot of clients actually just writing these on pen and paper, which is not the best way. You have to utilize these softwares in today's world. Yeah. And the reporting dashboard to track ROI, that is the thing that I've just talked about. You get a whole dashboard, and they can see it. You can actually customize it and see that, for example, I work with construction companies, and I can see that this software is like construction.ai. You can use your name. So my personal experience with this, I have segmented 2000 best contacts, launched a 7-day email plus SMS sequence, booked 50 appointments in 2 weeks, and generated $45,000 in immediate revenue for a roofing company. So I have not used it for myself, the database reactivation. I am talking about a roofing company that I have used it for, and they are very happy with the results because it was immediate. And yeah, sometimes you can just say to them that I will run this campaign for you, and from the money that comes in from this campaign, we can start running ads. So you don't have to pitch them Facebook ads instantly, and you don't have to say to them, yeah, you have to spend $1,000 on ads. You can just basically say that, let me run this campaign for you. If you're established business, give me like 1 or 2 or 3 years of contacts. I will sort it out for you, or their assistant will sort these contacts into segments like warm, pre-warm, cold, very cold, and yeah, you can just send them like, oh, hi Sarah, we just got some resources in our company, and we are actually want to clear our storage unit out, and we are running a 15% off of the last month resources. So if you want to do your roof, just let us know, and this is only for the first 5 members. So here you go, I've just give you a free script for a database reactivation campaign, which works really well. Also, best niches for high-level database reactivation, I think gyms, fitness studios, also roofers and home improvement services, and service-based businesses, salons, spas, and any business with a sizable past client list. It is really important to get the clients understand the lifetime value of the customers that you bring them. For example, if you bring a customer to a gym, and the monthly fee is $50, and a customer stays for 4 months, that's $200 for the revenue that you generated, not 50. So let them understand it. You have to sell the meeting to them, and let them understand the math behind it, because it is a really great matter, and I really advise everybody, even beginners or advanced agency owners, to put this database reactivation campaign into their offer as a package. Yeah. Also, roofers and home improvement services, I have personal experience that it works really well, and also service-based businesses, you can do it with hairdressers and manicure, pedicure, women hairdresser, men hairdresser, yeah, salons and spas, so any like health and makeup industry. Alright, let's go to the next slide. Let's talk about pricing. So, I have brought a gym example to this video. So if a gym has 2,500 contacts, and you which let me tell you, is like 2 years of working. So it is not like a very big gym. It is like a basic established gym that has like 2,500 contacts in like a city, and you get them 100 new members with this sale. You generate the business about 70 consistent new members who goes every month. For example, you run a campaign that say to the people, you get 7 days free. You get 7 days free training in the gym, and from the 100 people, 70 people stay and buys with monthly fees, and you generate 70 consistent new members who go every month. If a monthly fee is $40 and they train there for between 3 to 4 months on average, that is $160 lifetime value per customer. So if you bring them 70 members, that is more than $11,000. So you can easily justify a price of $1,000 plus for your database reactivation campaign, which is really great. And you can say to them that after it you can maybe run advertisement for it and you can charge higher prices. I really advise everybody to at least charge $750 for it, and you can gradually increase it. I know Rob Bailey, the guy who taught me this whole database reactivation campaign, actually charges like even $2,000 or even more, because they can get the prospects understand that they will bring long term a lot of value for gyms. Yeah, and also from the revenue they can start running ads. And summary: your existing database is your gold mine, don't forget it. High level automation makes reactivation scalable. Yeah, I can't really say more that I really advise high level. I'm using everything to run my own agency. I'm running my newsletter on it, my website, every client work. Really great software, and you don't even need to know how to code. The third is segmentation, personalization, and follow-up equals success. Yeah, and let's get to work. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.